Hey guys, welcome back. So I was sent this wig by OMGqueen to do a review on for you guys. I will definitely be checking back in towards the end of the video to give you all the spec and the details about this wig. And until then, stay tuned.
First time I met you, I had no words to say. Lost in your beauty, and you felt the same. It felt so perfect, and then everything changed. You know you messed up, and I didn't do the same. Girl, I'm moving on. I know how you feeling. Girl, you are my number one. Girl, I know how you feeling. Cause I'm moving on, and that's how I'm feeling. Don't care how you feeling. Girl, fuck how you feeling. Baby, bump and grind, maybe just one night, just one. I wanna feel your energy, feel your body, your hips and thighs, got my hypnotized, baby, tell no lies, I wanna bring you close, I wanna tell you something, I'll make you high. We shared our deepest secrets. Then I saw you walk out the door. I'd ask you how you feeling, but you don't reply anymore. I don't know how to say this, like a text with no spaces. Put this song on your playlist. I know that you'd replay this, cause I'm moving on. I know how you feeling. Girl, you are my number one. Girl, I know how you feeling. Cause I'm moving on, and that's how I'm feeling. Don't care how you feeling.
Okay guys, so first things first, let me go ahead and address the last video. So I don't know what happened. I guess when I re-recorded that part, I forgot to leave it out. But y'all know dang well I am not buying everybody and their mama a wig who was commenting free wig. Y'all know the ones that has been on this channel knows when I used to give my giveaways, that it would be someone that I would pick in the comments or whatever, or actually it would just be the auto picker that I usually go online and do. And so I've already notified the person in the video who won, and I've already gotten their address, and I need to ship the wig out this weekend. I've been totally busy with my business. So yes, I wanted to address that because somebody hit me up and was like, so when am I getting my free wig? And I'm like, sis, what? So when I went back to re-listen, I was just like, oh shucks, I forgot to say all the extra details. But yes, so about this wig though, so this is actually from, like I said, OMGqueen. And I first want to say that when I got this hair out of the package, it stank. So I did let it air out a little bit. Most of it went away, but like you see me smell at the beginning of the video, I still smelled it. So I did not leave this wig on after this video. But I know some of you are wondering, like, well, if it stink, what's this? Then why did you do this video still? Well, because I know a lot of people actually don't mind that. Like, I've read some reviews say that, like, oh, it did come with a smell, came with a slight smell, but it doesn't matter to me, wig's still nice, blah blah blah. So I did decide to go ahead and just still do this wig, but I cannot tell you how this wig holds up, because after this video, this wig came off. I have told them before about this common practice. I don't understand what's going on. I don't know if it's a product that they put on their wig, but some other wigs that I have used did not come with a smell, and they did last great. So you might want to go ahead and look at other reviews. This wig definitely is bomb. As you can see, it is beautiful. I love the curls, and I love it when the texture is dry. So I did not get any shedding, any tangling, or nothing like that. And I think that is honestly about it. So if you have any questions or comments, make sure you leave them down below, and I will see you love in the next video. Bye guys.